And folks, I hope you all are well. Grab a cup of coffee and notebook, pen, and watch the lectures. Okay, don't sit in the video just like you are watching a Netflix or a movie. Okay, make sure you make all of the notes which I tell here in the videos. It will help you a lot. So, in the first video, we have discussed that what is CRT and its types, and its we give its introduction. But in this video, we will discuss the turtle soup. What turtle soup? The most important topic. You all knows that the old way to trade CRT that we will wait for purge one side of liquidity and then market structure shift and then wait for pullback and tap in Fiji and target the opposing liquidity. But this shit is quite low probability, okay, and very poor RR. So now we will trade this with a turtle soup. Okay, so with this shit we got pretty higher win rate. Like if I genuinely says the win rate of the CRT with TBS or TS, it is probably very high if you use right context with it. So we will start what is turtle soup. Okay, turtle soup is just simply a false breakout. Okay, a false breakout. So what does mean by a false breakout? Okay, for example, you have a resistance here. Okay, you have a resistance here. Now there are stop losses of the retail traders here. Okay, holding above the resistance. So market maker did what? Or smart money make the market to move to the upside and take the stop losses of the sellers who are entered from here and here and here. Okay, their stop losses are placed in there. So smart money go and take up their stop losses. Okay, now there are two types of trader. Okay, one trade the breakout, one trade for reversal. So the when market goes up and break this resistance, the retail trader will buy on the breakout. Okay, they will put their stop loss here. Okay, they will buy from here and put their stop loss beneath the candle, whatever they say is shit, and target to whatever they want. But price do what? Give them a breakout and reverse immediately. What? Price go upside, do a breakout, okay, trap the retail traders. They was think that breakout happens, so market will go up. So they put the buying orders in the market, but market do what? Market reverse immediately to its zone back. Okay. So this is also for the support. For example, you have support here. Okay. Market do what? Do the breakout. Okay. Trap the retail traders who place the trade on the breakout. They place sell position here, and market do what? Market do reverse. Market reverse immediately to its zone back. So this is a turtle soup. Okay. Turtle soup what? Turtle soup is just a false breakout to retail the breakout traders or retailers. So now there are two types of turtle soup. Okay, the one is turtle wick soup, turtle wick soup. Okay, which we says TWS in short form. Okay, I will make it small. And the another one is turtle body soup. Okay, there is turtle body soup. Okay, turtle body soup. Mm, we call it TBS in the short term. Sorry, I tried it wrong. TPS. Okay. So you all knows the name of these two things: turtle wick soup and turtle body soup. Turtle wick soup means when a candle do breakout with the wick. For example, you have resistance here. Okay, market do a breakout. Okay, here, and market closes under this resistance, but it left a wick here. Okay, so this is a turtle wick soup. This is what? This is a turtle wick soup. Market do what? Market do breakout with the wick. There are two types of breakout trader who mean the one is that kind who take the trade after the closing of the candle above the resistance or below the support, and the other is the traders who took immediately when price go up the resistance. But market do what? Price go up and immediately reverse and closes beneath the resistance. So this is just a total wick. So same case for the support. Okay. So what is total body? So for example, you have support here. Okay, resistance, whatever you say, there is support here with you. Market do what? Market market goes down, okay, and closes with the body below this support. So when you see this shit happen, you will see a lot of volume entering at the breakout. Why? Because a lot of traders enter this shit in the after the breakout, because they think that the closing candle below the support or above the resistance is a pretty nice thing. But market maker do what? Reverse the price immediately to its range, so they get stopped out. Okay, so you form the order block and take the trade from here. So this is all the things we will discuss furthermore in the our playlist of the CRT. Okay. And this whole playlist, I will teach you all of these things first. These are the basics which you need to learn first. After that, I will teach you two setups of CRT. Okay. The one is the 159 model. Okay. Which works only in Forex. It doesn't work in any pair, just work in Forex. Okay. But this shit is very, I mean, this is the one of the most profitable strategy I have, and I am just using this strategy in my whole journey, and I will use it till my last trade, whatever you say. And the other model I will give you for the Nasdaq, what NQ or Nasdaq, whatever you say, and it is based on the equity open. Okay, equity open, and I am glad to see this that I make this model, the second one, the equity open. Like I merge power of 3 with the CRT. So with this I make the probability or the win rate of this shit much more higher. Okay. So when you see that what is power of 3? Power of 3 is simple accumulation, manipulation and distribution, which we have discussed in the first video. You have to know that this the power of 3 is the base of all these strategies. Okay, CRT is also based on the power of 3. So power of 3 is base. So I made this power of 3 with CRT, and believe me, this shit is crazy. When you trade it, you're gonna see with your own eyes. Okay. So this is now for today video. Okay. On the next video, we will discuss about the valid or invalid TPS or TWS, and what are the rules for the validation of the TPS or TWS. Okay. Uh, Goodbye. See you then in the next video. Goodbye.